Good day guys, welcome to OFFROAD4LIFE. So we're back in the kitchen this afternoon and it's quite a dull day in Durban. It's quite humid too. So we had a request from a subscriber from the United States and he wanted us to do a fish curry. So guys, there you go. We're almost ready. We'll take it step by step. So right now we've got a bit of cumin seeds, mustard seeds, onions, curry leaves, and we got about 4 grated tomatoes. So guys, there's going to be a few more things we're going to add into this curry, but as we go along we will let you know guys, so stay tuned. So guys, we ready to start. So to the hot oil I'm adding some mustard seeds, some cumin seeds. Guys, we got onions, curry leaves and 1 bay leaf. Okay, to that I'm going to have 3 cloves of garlic and let that cook for a while. So we're just letting the onions cook down, and I just added 2 green chilies. So guys, to the pot we're adding 3 teaspoons of chili powder, and in here we have a 1/4 teaspoon of fennel seeds, fennel powder, 1/4 teaspoons of cumin, and just over a 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, guys. So a few mustard seeds. Sorry, that's myrtle seeds, guys. Then we're going to have add our 4 grated tomatoes. So it's 1 hand, guys. We need to give this a good stir up. Guys, 1/2 teaspoons of ginger and garlic paste. So we'll let that cook down, and then we'll add a bit of salt. Guys, teaspoon of salt. So guys, to the pot we put in some eggplant or brinjals, probably a handful. We'll let that cook for a short while. So guys, this has been cooking for about 7 minutes. Into this we're going to add some tamarind. So we got about 4 teaspoons of tamarind and hot water. We made a little bit of a paste, and we're going to add this to the pot. So guys, the tamarind is in. You can add a little bit of hot water, not too much, to the pot, just to loosen up anything that sticks to the pot. So that's cooking away now, guys. In the next few minutes we'll add the fish. So there you go, guys. Trying to do this with one hand. The fish is in, and we're going to mix it a little, guys. Just want to cover the fish and leave that to cook for around, say, 10 to 15 minutes on medium heat. There you go, guys. Probably leave it for another 15 to 20 minutes, and we'll look at it then. So guys, you can adjust it if you want it a little more spicier, a few more chilies, a little more chili powder. Be careful with the salt, because this tamarind is quite salty and sour. So this is going for about 5 minutes. I think we got another 10 minutes or so to go. Should be running, should be ready. So guys, you can add coriander to this. I don't add fresh, so I'm gonna do without that. So guys, it's cooking on medium. So guys, that's done. So it's my take on fish curry, guys.